How to change Instagram theme to black. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Instagram. And once you do that, click on the profile picture at the bottom right. Then click on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Once you're here, click on settings and then click on theme. And here you will see the option that says dark. Select that one and it will be turned to dark mode. The second option also is to choose the system default and then turn your phone to dark mode, so it will give the same effect. So that was it for this video. That's how you can get the dark mode on Instagram. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.